काशीनाथ शेट्येच्या इश्यूचेर कितें म्हणणें आहा तुमचें ते
तुम्ही आता टॉपिक्स
एकूच तुमचो एक म्हत्वाचो न्ही तुमी एक
इश्यूज आसात ते हँडल करपाक जाय. म्हाका सरकार सक्षम आसा हे हँडल करून घेवपाक. वी वील हँडल द इश्यूज.
रॉंग मेसेज वचूं ना एक लोकां भितर की बरो काम करपी ऑफिसराक काडलो आनी दुसरे कडेन घातलो आनी सरकार म्हणटा सुशासन
सर्विसेस इट इज अ बोथ साइड्स हॅव टू बी सीन. एज वी एग्री what Kashinath Shetty is saying is right. I also personally disagree that the systems go down where hospitals, schools, bakiche everything just falls apart. That cannot be done. आम्ही 170-200 ॲप्लिकेशनां घेतिल्ली. ती तांची कॉपीज घेवन मेन कॉपीज घेवन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट गेल्ले. दे आर नोडल एजन्सी. दे नोडल एजंट वॉज नॉट अपॉइंटेड टिल देन हू हॅड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ representing electricity department. In the meantime, these wires were cut. So I think there has been some miscommunication or somewhere something for which this had to happen. Just governance is a continuous process. The people who have done these things in the last number of years need to be brought in the ambit for which we initiated the process.
Okay.
With the ROW and other thing given to Department of IT, we have also initiated a process of taking nodal. In the meantime, this type of instances have happened which shouldn't have happened. तुमका मिडियाक स्वतात अपलोड करपाक त्रास जाले आसतले मरे ते डेटा. सो ताज्या खातीर थोड्यो गजाल्यो म्हाका दिसता समजुतीन समज केल्यो. इट गिव्स अ थिंग अ टायम लिमिट हॅज टू बी सेट for these people to ensure that they are in tune with compliance of what is required, and we will ensure speedy part as far as the Gati Shakti portal and other things are concerned. We will try to move fast on that.